This video will show you how to stop your microphone from automatically adjusting the levels in Windows. So what you need to do first is go to your microphone icon in the bottom right. If you right click on it and then go to sound settings, you will open up this sound window. From here you can scroll all the way down and you can then click on more sound settings. This will open up this new window. Here you can go to recording and then make sure this microphone that you happen to be using is set to the default device. So if there are any others like I have here, I can right click on them and then disable them, just making sure that the one I want to use is enabled. If it isn't, we can right click on it and then click set as default device. Then if you go to properties in your microphone, by right clicking and go to properties, you can then go to levels and just make sure they're on 100. You can then go to advanced, and if you uncheck allow applications to take exclusive control, this will help. Click apply and OK. One last thing, go to communications here, and then here where it says Windows can automatically adjust the volume, for these options click do nothing, then apply and OK. Now we've changed all of these settings in Windows. If this is still happening in something like Steam, you need to go into advanced options in the third-party program and change it that way.